Can you tell me how many fishes are there in this aquarium?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, so you found 5 fishes. You were wrong, Joe. Observe carefully.
Hey! 2 fishes. But why in that angle I saw 4 fishes?
It's because of reflected ray. Here you can see both real and virtual images. So, you have seen more images than the actual number.
Bob, can you tell me clearly with a simple example?
Sure, Joe. Let's take 2 mirrors and arrange them like this. Now take a lightened candle and keep it in between the mirrors. Joe, how many candle images have you observed?
Bob, I can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. No. 3. It's 4, Bob.
Wait. Don't get confused, Joe. Sometimes you can see 3 images and sometimes 4. Joe, actually here 4 images are formed. But here the third image and fourth images coincides. So you can see only 3 images.
You're right, Bob. But I saw 4 images. How, Bob?
It's so simple. If we move the candle slightly, then you can observe 4 images.
Yeah, now I can see 4 images. Wow, it's 1:4, Bob.
What?
I mean, one object, 4 images.
Great, Joe.